You're going to take an unattended bag that you don't know what's in it, and you're going to take it onto a plane that's going somewhere with all these people on it.
This investigation began with a missing bag inside one of the most secure environments in modern transportation, a commercial airport terminal. What initially appeared to be a routine report of lost property would quickly escalate into a case raising serious questions about trust, authority, and accountability in high-responsibility professions. Within minutes, airport security would uncover a suspect no one expected.
Like a wireless charger. Yeah, it was literally going half second.
Half second?
He was in the bathroom. I turned around to fix my shoe, sit down. I turned around, he snatched it right off. The moment I came out the bathroom.
Where were you seated?
At this bathroom in front of 87.
87. Okay. Let me call down and see if somebody can work our camera, see if we can find anything on it.
I have to put it on the plane. It's sad that somebody just taking stuff like that. Stuff sit there all day, don't touch it. As soon as you leave this stuff, I don't touch it.
If we have a camera there, we'll be able to see if it was there and
Oh, it was there for sure, sir.
And then how it came up missing. Hey, Roy, Mark. Hey, I got a guy up here. I don't know if there's anyone down there that works the cameras right now. He went into the restroom. He had somebody pushing him in a wheelchair. The wheelchair attendant turned his back, and he's got a bag now that's missing off the back of the wheelchair. It was by the restrooms by A6. Yeah, so it's a ABM wheelchair pusher. It's the blue one, and then the gentleman that was in the wheelchair. Looks like he's probably about 22 years old.
I'm 33, but I look
okay, he's a young 33. Wearing black plaid pants and glasses, black nail. All right. What time's your flight?
soon.
7. Let me just double check over here. Hey, Ken? Ken?
Yeah.
Do you happen to have any black bags that were left here?
Black bags?
Yeah. In the last hour?
Attention all areas. Any black bags left behind?
I didn't know if you had something in your office.
I'll check what's on down here. I gotta watch it real quick. Should be down here in a second.
Okay.
Negative on Central.
Okay. Where'd he go to? Oh. You say your ID's in there also?
Oh my God. My wallet's in there and my passport. Oh. Everything's in there. Yeah. Because I have to put it in there to pass through the thing.
Okay, let me get some information from you. Well, let's go take a walk down here and see if we can see it.
Because I can spot it easily. It was so bad though, like we never saw my phone.
Hey Roy, I'm gonna step away from the checkpoint here and see if we can locate it maybe on the time course today.
That photo on the camera was like a perfect setup. It was black male, bald, black pants, black jacket, white shirt. He's got some sort of lanyard on. He grabbed it off the wheelchair and he started walking towards the M&A concourse. I want to see if I can follow him on the camera. I gotta pick him up. I said,
Walking this way, back towards there.
Our active duty U.S. military, we thank
Go
you
ahead.
for your service. With your ID, we board at this time as well.
I believe he's a flight attendant, got on a flight at 8:14. He stopped and talked to the person at the ticket counter and then went right down the hill.
Okay.
20 minutes during 6:06.
We allowed to board the aircraft with one person on item that item should be regulated.
It's on her phone.
If you have a bag,
watch out.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Come on, guys. Hello.
Hi.
Need me to hold the line up?
I think I need to see this guy.
Yes. You want me to grab him?
I need to see him. Yes.
Okay.
Is he working this flight?
All set.
Hey, yeah, we're gonna need to step out here. Actually, you got any belongings?
Yeah.
Like this bag, book bag?
Yeah. You need it right now?
Yeah, I need that book bag.
All right.
And I
He's
need everything else.
waiting up there.
Yeah, I'll be right back.
Recorded it.
He recorded what?
He not only stopped me and said you're down here, he said he was looking for a book bag.
We can't have, we have to have another license.
Well, I'm not concerned
Okay.
about that, but you're gonna have to come up here with me.
Sure.
What's your name? Let me see your ID. Let me take it off so I can have it. Take it off your neck so I can have your lanyard. Hey. Okay. So, tell me what happened here. What's your name? Vern?
Yes. My name's Vern.
Vern.
How you doing, sir?
Okay. What happened?
Well, sir, I saw an unattended bag, and I was going to present it to the gate agent who was done boarding because he was unaware, like nobody
So
was
you're
around.
gonna take an unattended bag that you don't know what's in it, and you're gonna take it onto a plane that's going somewhere with all these people on it.
No, sir. I did check the bag. It was secure, but I wasn't able to talk to the gate agent. As far as about the bag, I still had to do my checks and stuff like that. I wasn't going to do anything with the bag or anything like that. I was making sure that it was all right, but I did do the check before. I did my checks. I checked the bag. It was secure, but I was waiting on the gate agent to make sure that I spoke to them. But I wasn't trying to do anything with it or anything like that.
Give me your regular driver's license, your ID.
Sure.
Where are you from?
I'm from Florida.
Hey, Roy. Yeah, I got him. I'm down here at 814.
Sir?
No, I'm on the inside here.
Sir,
By the
as I
elevator.
was walking to the gate area, I saw an unattended bag, this bag
So-
right here. And
So
I made sure,
here's
like,
a situation,
I made
kind
sure,
of.
like, it was nothing as far as
He's from Florida.
weapons
but
or plastic or anything.
They don't have anyone else for
I
this
spoke
flight.
to the gate agent. Well, I didn't get able to speak to the gate agent. I was
So-
going to wait until it was all secure and stuff like that and give it right back to the gate agent. But it was unsecured. I checked
So-
it. There's nothing inside that's harmful or anything like
Okay.
that. I wasn't going to do anything with it. It's supposed to give
Well,
it to the gate
hopefully,
agent so she can take care of it from there.
But
It was really bad for the second.
yeah.
I took it on the plane. We figured out. Yes, sir. After I did my checks.
Let me see if we can give this back to this guy real quick. Excuse us.
But my intention.
Why don't you go over here with him?
Okay.
Well, I see this guy can check his bag and so he can get on his flight. Hey, where's he at? First things first. Why don't you go through here and check and see what's missing, if there's anything missing.
Stolen? Okay. Okay, so, wait. Wow, wait. Everything's there.
Everything's there.
Everything's there.
Okay.
Airports operate under heightened security protocols where unattended items are treated as potential threats. Every employee, especially flight crew, is trained to follow strict procedures when encountering personal property left behind. This case tests whether those procedures were followed or deliberately ignored. The passenger reported briefly stepping away from his wheelchair-attached bag while adjusting footwear. Upon returning, the bag, containing identification, passport, and wallet, was gone. At that moment, the passenger faced immediate legal and travel consequences. Airport security initiated a standard lost property investigation, beginning with surveillance review and witness coordination. Officers treated the case as potentially time-sensitive due to the possibility of the bag being taken onto an aircraft. Security footage from terminal cameras revealed a uniformed individual removing the unattended bag and proceeding toward an active boarding gate. This discovery fundamentally altered the case. The individual was identified as an active flight attendant assigned to a departing flight. This immediately elevated the investigation from lost property to possible criminal misconduct. Officers intercepted the flight attendant before departure. The bag was located in his possession, raising immediate concerns regarding intent, protocol regardless of final criminal disposition. This case did not end in handcuffs, but it did not end without consequences. Airline compliance teams initiated an internal investigation to determine policy breaches and risk exposure. Incidents involving security protocol violations may be reviewed by federal aviation authorities, regardless of criminal charges. Training manuals explicitly prohibit independent handling of unattended property by flight crew. Investigators assessed whether the conduct reflected criminal intent or professional negligence. Without victim charges, prosecutors lacked sufficient grounds to pursue theft or unlawful possession. Public outrage often exceeds legal thresholds. This case illustrated the gap between moral outrage and prosecutable offenses. Civil attorneys reviewed potential claims but identified insufficient damages to sustain litigation. Airline disciplinary outcomes may include suspension, retraining, or termination, independent of court rulings. The case exposed vulnerabilities in terminal oversight and staff accountability systems. Air travel relies on trust. Breaches by insiders damage confidence across the system. Without recorded evidence, the incident could have devolved into conflicting claims. Unattended property protocols exist to protect everyone, not to inconvenience staff. Similar cases show administrative penalties often outweigh criminal ones in insider misconduct. The case was closed criminally but documented administratively. Ethics in aviation extend beyond intent. They include judgment under pressure. Bodycam footage ensured transparency and prevented misinformation. Even without charges, reputational harm can be permanent. Justice systems enforce law, not public emotion. Security protocol violated. No criminal theft proven. Administrative accountability pursued. In high-trust environments, accountability does not always wear handcuffs, but it always leaves a record.